In this video, I partnered with Rabbit, an AI company who's launching an AI assistant device. It's the first of its kind. They'll be launching that virtually on their website January 9th at 10 a.m. Pacific time. I'll have the opportunity to check that out later, but for now, we're gonna take a look at their teaser video, and then we'll come back and I'll share my thoughts on this really neat video.
Start my morning routine.
Order me an Uber and find me a good podcast to pass the time. Oh, and tell everybody that I might be late.
That was delicious. Check the fridge and order the ingredients to make that again tomorrow.
Create a route that works with my goals. Then, start the best playlist to keep me motivated.
Watch what I'm doing here. Process all my new photos today just like this.
Find us a nice restaurant near here, then get us there.
Take me to the best spot to catch the sunset, and lead me through a meditation.
Play my favorite song.
I'm on it.
There's a few things that I really wanted to point out here. Now, let me get to the spot in the video right here. This is the most interesting part of the video where this guy is talking to the device. Let me see if I can replay it here.
Start the best playlist to keep me motivated.
Watch what I'm doing
Right here.
Process all my new photos today just like this.
Find us a
Okay, did you catch that? He is talking to his device, telling it to basically do his job for him, which is insane. I can imagine this guy is a photographer. The most time-intensive part of his day, or the most time-consuming part of his day, is probably editing his videos and photos. He just told this little AI device to watch him edit a photo and then finish his job, basically, like do the rest of the photos the way that I would do them so that my clients get the type of photo editing that they expect from me. So it's gonna be able to do that in the style of his editing, which I think is really cool. I wish Rabbit could help me with editing my videos as well. How cool would it be to just tell your assistant to do your job for you? Another thing that I thought was super interesting here, apparently this is going to connect to your other devices. So if we go back here, this guy says he really enjoyed it. Take a look at what's in the refrigerator and order the ingredients that we need to remake this, to make this recipe. So that means that this thing's probably able to connect to your other smart devices if you already have a smart refrigerator that can look around and see what items need to be ordered. Either that, or they're going to launch a bunch of stuff to go with this little device that can connect to all your different devices. That's pretty cool, but the fact that it can see what's in the refrigerator and then make the order for your groceries, I thought that was very interesting. And then another thing that was really cool, I've never seen a smart assistant that you can talk to naturally and give multiple commands to, and then it knows what you're talking about. So specifically in this little clip here, she says to order an Uber, bring up a podcast that will keep her busy, and let everyone know that she's running a little bit late. Usually that would be a few steps with a normal assistant. So if I tried that with my Google Assistant, it would ask me where I'm going and it would help me to order the Uber, but it's gonna forget that I said I needed a podcast and to send out a message to my coworker. So I can imagine maybe this is a scenario where she goes to the same place every day, maybe to work, and she wants to order the Uber to go to work. Maybe it's something that she does commonly, so it knows what she's referring to, and it knows her listening history, so it's able to bring up a podcast. And then maybe it has like a group of labeled people that she works with, her coworkers, that it's able to send out a message to them, letting them know that she's going to be late for work. Otherwise, those were vague commands for this to know exactly what she's talking about. So all of that's really cool. I'm very interested to see just how smart this little device really is. I did notice it's a smart handheld, smaller device. I did not see a screen. I didn't see any kind of input or applications on it or anything like that. It seems like it is totally voice controlled, and it has a speaker so that it can relay messages back to you. So is this something that could potentially replace your smartphone? I don't know. I've been using smartphones now for like 12 plus years, so it would be very difficult for me to put down that screen. I wouldn't mind a world where people are not as addicted to their cell phones because they're able to use AI to get things done very quickly, and you can kind of dive into your device and then get back out of it. I kind of like that aspect of this device, but we'll see exactly what it is. The video here, a lot of cool stuff here, but it is kind of vague. So I'm definitely excited to see this launched on January 9th at 10 a.m. Pacific time. Do be sure that you head to the link in the description and register for the launch event. That way you can see what's going on with this device the moment it's announced. And that about wraps it up for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.